Let's open it. Shall we open it? Wait, oh. Wait, let me show you. Awesome. And there's some candies as well. Barbie doll candies. Barbie doll candies. And super brochure. Look at that. Just collect them all. They have green in color, a blue in color, purple, yellow, and red. Collect them all. Now where is it? There's a car. See? Look, look, look. Look at this, look at this. Shara, look. Shara, look. Look, I'm showing everybody your car. Look. Ooh. Shara, look. Shara, look. Look here, look here. Look here, look, look. See? That's the other car. That's the other car. You want the candy? Where's the car? Where's the car? Oh, there you are. Blue and purple. Let's open one more. And open another one. How about open the candy? Let's see what's in the candy. Let's just open it. Shara, look. Oh, it's a Barbie doll candy. It's just some strawberry candy. Shara, look. Would you like to have one? Would you like to have one? Yum. Let's open another one. Look. Where's the car? Where's the car just now? Let's put it here. Oh, look here, look here, look here, look here. Hey, Aiden, Aiden, don't do like that. Aiden, don't be like that. Let's open it. Awesome! Look at that. Another blue car. There's some more candies. And we got another blue car. One blue, two blue, purple. Awesome. Let's open the red one. Oh, they even have a brochure again. Collect them all. And how many do we have here? One purple. We have one blue. And we have paper. Awesome. Let's open one more. Here, look. What color do you think we get this time? Oh, we have a red car! Awesome! I got some candies as well. How many got in? Some more Barbie doll candies. And we have some brochures as well. Green, blue, purple, yellow, and red. Now, what car did we get here? We have a red car. Awesome! Awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. One more time. Which one? Oh. Oh, don't cry, darling. Sayang. Sayang, baby. What color do you think we got this time?
Yeah, open.
Open, huh? Let's open. A red car. Another red car.
I see cars. Open.
What color is it? Another blue car. We have how many blue cars now? 1, 2, 3 blue cars. That's a lot of blue cars. Uh-oh. Sit down, darling. Get a car. We have 2 red, 1 purple, 3 blue cars. Shall we open one more? Sit down, come, sit down, sit. Let's see, which one shall we put? What? Open this time, Shira. Want to take one of it? Which one? This one. A blue car again. Another blue car. Another blue car, guys. So many cars, huh? Shall we open some more? Yes? Would you like to open it? Let's open the red one.
I'm gonna open.
Yes, some surprises.
Yeah.
What color is it? It's another blue card. There's so many blue cards. How many blue cards do we have now here, darling? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue cards. But that's a lot of blue cards if you ask me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 blue. Put here. 5 blue cards. Come, put it here. And then we have 1 purple card and 2 red cards. Let's see which one. Which one, Shira? Shira, which one do you want to open? Shira? Shira, hey. Which one do you want to open? This one? This one? This one? Choose one. Alright, awesome. Let me open it for you.
Wait, the door doesn't open.
Yeah. It's a green car! Awesome! Yay, we got a green car finally. Oh!
The bus. The bus.
Are
The
you
bus
sure?
is.
Let's put it here. Come on. Thank you. Come, let's put it here. Put it here. Put it together. Everybody want to see what eggs you have. I mean, what toy you have. No, we don't have a yellow one. That's why we have a yellow one this time. Come on, where's the egg? Red egg, red card, 2 red card, 1 purple, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 blue cards. That's a lot of blue cards, if you ask me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 purple, 2. And of course, we have a green one inside here. We have to put it here, Shira. Oh, it's okay. Let her be. You want to open some more? You like to open some more? No? That's it? Bye-bye. Finish? Finish? You want to open some more? No?
And the bus is.
Yeah, let's open some more surprises. Give me the green one first. The green card. We need the green card, Shira. Everybody needs to see the green card. Come on. Shira. There's the green card. Thank you. Just want to show them. Yeah, there you go. Come, come. Take a look. Take a look. And let's open this one. Want to open this one? Shall we open it? Shall we open it? Want to open? Open or not? Okay, let's hope it's yellow card. Let's hope it's a yellow card, Shira. What's the green card? Green? Take the green card. Take the green card. Give it, put it, give it. Awesome. Beautiful. Ooh, pretty. Let's open this one.
Open.
It's a green car! Awesome!
Yes.
We have another green car. Look at that. Now, which one do we don't have? Let's see. We have the green, blue, many, purple one. We have, oh no, yellow. Let's hope for a yellow car. Left 2 more eggs only. Which one? This one or this one? Let's try the yellow. Hopefully we'll get a yellow. Shall I open this? Shall we open this? Shira? Shira, shall I open it? Shira, shall we open it? Are you ready? Is this a yellow? Hey, yellow. Oh, it's a blue one again. Okay. Another blue car. Some more candies. And of course, the brochure. Now, last egg. Shira, the last one. Shall we open it? Let's hope this is a yellow. It's the last one. Finish after this. Let's hope it's really the yellow color car. Yellow.
Oh.
Oh, it's a purple one.